how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have a 3-in-1 casing, back cover, also the front cover of film for iPhone 17. This is a lovely looking product, in this case 3-in-1 for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. You can see here lovely looking beast here, 17. Here is the box of casing cover, whatever you say. Let me take this off. This one is lovely, a good price I have bought. So you see how it is. So 10, 15 to $20 or euro it will be, depend where you are. I take this off from here. Behind I have other things, so we'll go them later. First thing first is the casing. You see how beautiful transparent casing this one. Behind here I think there's some plastic, should be here. Before apply you have to take out some plastic. We have here, you see magnetic charging. So here you have magnet to hold and charge properly. Here is written some plastic here. This side you have to take this off after applying. Okay, so in this case we can apply directly my iPhone. Before applying, always clean your phone behind everything. Let's see, aside everything clean properly. Lovely. Now let me apply, but before apply I would like to peel off here. Almost I thought I don't have anything here, but there is a plastic cover. Take this off before applying, so it will look better, more clean. So you see how it is coming. This is skin, lovely. You better take off because it will look more clear, more sharp. Okay, lovely. Take this off. Now I will take my phone. This way you have camera module or plateau. Can apply as this inside. Put a gentle pressure. Lovely. Is a premium, very high quality casing in this case. Lovely guys. How beautiful this one. You see casing, beautiful. Behind they have also something. I think this indicates that, so I think I can take off from here. See how it is coming out. Lovely. You see how it's coming out. Wow. Take this off all the way. Beautiful, beautiful, very sharp and clean. How beautiful my phone is looking with this. Lovely guys, magnificent. Now not only that, we have two more things in this case. We have a film in this case. Here we go. You see King Kong diamond frame for iPhone 16 Pro Max. Lovely in this case. So I will show you how you can apply this one. And also we have more things here because it's 3-in-1. We have a back cover for the camera protection. You see here, mobile phone camera lens. Lovely. Wow. Put here, then you have wipe tool. You have to clean your phone. Okay, first we're gonna clean this one. You can use your own cotton. Here we go. This is iPhone 17 Pro Max, brand new. I put as this better. Think the size is perfect. You have to check with your casing, with your case. It should be the same. You see, it's perfect. It should go inside. If it's a little bit bigger, it will take out by the force of your casting or something as this. So in this case, you see everything is ready. If you want, you can use this dry and wet. In this case, let me use this one. Okay, first one is wet. You have to take out. So it's wet. You will feel at your hand and clean thoroughly your display. Although it's a brand new iPhone, so there are nothing on the display, but I'm showing you same way this is done. Then you have a dry towel. Yeah, take this off, and I'm taking this out. Here we go, and we'll apply this one and try to take out all the dust, everything from my phone. Check closely if you have anything or not. I see something at the middle, so I have to take this off from here, because anything on here, it will have a problem. Let's see. All looks fine. I put here this tempered glass we have. This is King Kong diamond shaped curved glasses edge to edge. Okay, lovely. From here we have one sticker. We take this off. You see how it is, edge to edge, this one. Take this off, and we have to put exactly watching properly. You don't need to do anything, it will take by itself. You see how it is. Just leave it there. Only you have to put at exact the placement. Is done. With the paper, the towel they send you, can move around a little bit if you see some places something. If you have some ear inside is stuck, in couple of days they will go out. You see how it is, how perfect it is. Look, beautiful diamond shape. Okay, here beautiful. If I press power button of my phone, because this is brand new iPhone, I didn't set up still, so you see how beautiful it looks. Beautiful, the glass here, Apple logo. Obviously I have to set up for the first time this phone, so everything is new here. So this is the unboxing, also apply of tempered glass to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or iPhone 17 here, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.